Welcome, today in front of me the FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to check your battery temperature. First of all, you go to the Play Store, click to the search pool and tap the Ampere. Install this application. Okay, we will wait a couple of seconds. I think now it's installing, and tap to open when it's installed. Tap yes, agree, close. Okay, here you get all the information. If you will just scroll here, so we just will see the information, the temperature on the battery is good, the health good, the level, the model, Android version, and a lot of more information. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.